Hey guys and gals, today we're going to be talking about 5 ways to be marketing your solar business online in 2024. We're going to go step by step through this video to give you marketing tips that work, convert, and are profitable. My hope is that you learn something that you can apply immediately to your solar business right now to give you a lift. Let's go ahead and get into it. Hey everyone, welcome to the show. Okay, I won't do that again. So when you're running a business online, you want to make sure you're marketing in every place possible. You want to be seen. They talk about like a human needs, about 7 touches to purchase a product 3 different places. So why not be the company that's touching people?
No,
that could be taken wrong. But, if a client needs 7 touch points to know, like, and trust your company enough to do business with you or to make a decision on a product, because the problem is, like, if you're just advertising in one place, maybe you're 1 or 2 of those touches, but maybe you're not the final touch. So we need a lot of touch points out there to make sure that when a customer does actually decide to go with our product, which is solar, they're going to go with us. So firstly, we're going to be talking about Facebook ads. Facebook, to me, is the most akin to door knocking. I think you're casting this really wide net. Facebook, you pay per person that scrolls past your ad, whether they engage it or not. So with Facebook, you're casting a wider net, and you're not getting these in-market leads like you get a lot of the time on Google. So when you're casting a wider net, it's good. People aren't shopping you as much. Cons of Facebook leads. Typically, you have to work a lot more of them than a Google lead to get a conversion. So you want your Facebook leads to be coming in a little cheaper. The pros of Facebook is that it's super scalable. There's a ton of users on the platform. People are there all the time. You can run ads in the Reels section right now, which is one of the best places to market right now on Facebook, I believe. What I would consider cons of running Facebook ads, I would say, would be those more out-of-market leads. We get a lot more like trash leads from Facebook sometimes, just leads that never respond or answer or do anything. But other than, those things, I think Facebook is one of the most tried and true, tested advertising platforms on the market. Second place going to be talking about where you should be marketing your solar business right now is Google search. So how does Google search work? Well, when you type for something on Google, you might notice that actually the first results you see are not typically organic searches. They're typically something that says sponsored. So businesses are actually paying Google to have their website show up first when a topic is searched for. So what if you could be one of those 5 people? Because there's ways to get organically there. You can invest in SEO. You also have the paid Google Ads side. So best of both worlds, like you're investing in both, building your SEO out, as well as running Google search ads that are driving people to find your business when people are looking for it. SEO is kind of a longer term play. Google search ads can be turned on like today, like right now. So you should be investing in SEO because that's a long term kind of like farming strategy. Like all the work you do in SEO compounds and should be bringing, free leads to your website every week, every month. And those are usually high intent. They convert into sales. Paid search, you can turn on today, like as an extra marketing stream. SEO, I think, is a really strong play in solar right now. I don't see people investing a lot there. I don't think search engines are going away anytime soon. And it's just really different when you have an organic lead come to your site, they decide to do business with you, versus an ad. It's just a very strong lead. Next week, we're going to be having a video coming out. It's going to really do a deep dive in SEO. I'm not going to get into all the topics here. Shifting into YouTube. So YouTube is a fun platform to advertise on. It has all of the targeting points that Google is famous for. You can get really targeted with who you're chasing after with your marketing, but you have this little weird thing of like, it's a little more like Facebook than like Google search or Google pay-per-click. So YouTube is kind of this weird best of both worlds platform. I think you can use video creative, which at Prospect Bacon, we always see video creative like creating much higher intent leads than an image, even if it's a little more expensive. And YouTube has this great feature where if somebody skips the first, little piece of your ad, you actually don't have to pay for that view. So a lot of reasons we love YouTube. How YouTube ads are different than Facebook ads or Google search ads. Well, Google search is kind of its own thing, but like versus the Facebook ads, YouTube ads, I think are leads from YouTube are a little more likely to be in market for solar. So shopping or looking around, which can be a good thing, right? Higher intent, they're more likely to set appointments, higher lead to appointment with YouTube ads, that sort of thing. If you're trying to start like, hey, Josiah, I'm not doing any marketing, you can always talk to us at Prospect Bacon. We do all this for our clients, but I would really recommend starting just focusing on one platform at a time, getting that under your belt, learning it, mastering it. Meta has its own certification class now, as well as Google. So you can get Google certified on YouTube and search and all that. The fourth place you should be advertising your business in 2024 this is a little related to the Google search section, but your Google reviews and SEO. So every client that's having a good experience with you, we should be asking for a Google review, right? Even if you get, you have that 2-hour long pitch with that customer you built a lot of rapport with, they decide not to go with you. Maybe solar doesn't make sense to them at the time. Like, hey, can you please just leave us a 5-star review? It helps feed my family, feed the business. Because a lot of times when people look to do business with your business, they're looking at the Google reviews and seeing how legit your company is, that sort of thing. Google reviews help boost your SEO, or like how your company's search results pull up when people are searching for like solar companies near me. And Google reviews work for like anybody. If you own a business, you need Google reviews. You need to create your Google business profile and be getting 5-star reviews. They're super important, the lifeblood of your business. We had a client a few weeks ago, just started focusing on Google reviews and started getting free leads like that week, just from people seeing their business showing up on Google. How to get started doing Google reviews? Just ask, start asking people, hey, here's our little link. You can get the link for your Google review, send it to your happy customers. Probably don't send it to your unhappy customers. Maybe try to fix the problem and then send them the Google review. But yeah, absolutely. Just start. The last place you should be talking about your business online, I would say, would be Facebook groups, like getting involved in your community. There's a bunch of ways to get your business advertised or like well-known in Facebook groups. I think the easiest way to get started is to just join some community groups and start posting value in there, answering that person's who's asking for restaurant reviews, recommendations. Try to be that like local voice or like pillar in your community. You can also start a group, talking about energy savings hacks or like homeowner hacks. I've seen work well. I've seen people just start like a community yard sale group, and that works really well. Or you can even like join an existing group and take that over as well. Those are the 5 places I would really be focusing on marketing your solar business in 2024. None of these involve doing silly TikTok dances or like videos of yourself in any sort of shape or form. I think every business owner in solar could start focusing on things today. As always, if you need a kick butt agency to run your solar ads for you, check us out at prospectbacon.com. And if you want a free PDF breakdown of everything we talked about today, as well as a longer, little bit more in-depth training, go to the link below in the description and we'll send that right over to you. Peace, love, and bacon grease. See ya.